In this video, we are going to be talking about how the physical properties of matter can change. Don't forget that you can pause or rewind this video at any time that you may need while you're taking notes in your What's a Matter packet. When we refer to physical change, we're talking about a change in size, shape, color, or phase, where no new substance has been formed, so the chemical properties are always the same. Because of this, we typically don't have any energy given off unless it's a change of state, so whenever we're moving from a solid to a liquid, liquid to gas, or gas to plasma. But ultimately, atoms are always linked in the same way. We can talk about a change in size, like crushing or tearing. We can talk about a change in shape, like stretching, flattening, or coiling. We can talk about putting these substances into a mixture and talking about dissolving or mixing. And we can ultimately talk about a change in physical state. So just like we talked about before in our notes, where we have melting where heat is gained, freezing where heat is lost, evaporation where heat is gained, and condensation where heat is lost. There's another process that's called sublimation where heat is also gained, where you turn a solid into a gas, but this is not a process that you'll need to know about, so you can actually cross off number 5 in your list of notes. So in the next video, we are going to talk about chemical properties and chemical change in comparison to these physical properties and physical change.